Are you struggling to make profits trading cryptocurrencies and tired of wasting money on trading classes that don't deliver results? We've got a solution for you. Our trading AI has been developed by a seasoned trader from Switzerland and has been tested over years to help you make successful trades. All you need to do is sign up with Bybit using the link below, and you'll receive free money on your first deposit as well as reduced trading fees. Once you're set up, you can effortlessly copy the trading bots with just one click. Our AI currently has a 100% win rate and generates over 15% ROI per month, and we're confident you'll see the results for yourself. Don't believe us? Try it out for free by following the links in the description and see for yourself. Sign up now and take your trading game to the next level. Although Ripple released 1 billion XRP from its escrow account, its price has fallen 2.6% during the last 24 hours. Who are the insiders, by the way? Who will be the first to know the outcome of the SEC v. Ripple case? Evernote, an XRP Ledger smart contract that uses two protocols, is also about to become live and has announced the migration of its test network. Eventually, folks, aside from Bitcoin, XRP has been the only asset that has moved the market, yet the question is still valid. Will XRP be able to sustain itself? Continue reading to find out more. Check out this new video as soon as possible if this sounds like something that would be of interest to you. Leading Silicon Valley tech firm Ripple has released an incredible amount of XRP from escrow, and in the most recent round of token unlocking, Will Alert reported that Ripple released 1 billion XRP from escrow in 3 separate transactions. Will Alert said the cryptocurrency giant unlocked 500 million XRP worth $271 million in the first transaction. A little while afterwards, Ripple Labs unlocked 200 million additional XRP worth $108.4 million. The industry giant in cryptocurrencies completed the last phase of token unlocking by releasing 300 million XRP from escrow. The XRP that was released from escrow is worth $534.6 million at the current exchange rate. Many people who have followed Ripple's actions over the past few years won't be surprised by the most recent transaction. Notably, the blockchain business has been running a token unlocking campaign on a monthly basis since 2018. Through its escrow accounts, the company releases up to 1 billion XRP currencies each month. Since reaching a high of $3.40 in 2018, the value of XRP has drastically decreased. The ongoing Ripple versus SEC cases and unfavorable market circumstances have both affected the drop in the price of XRP. With its monthly token unlocked, Ripple does not seek to cause a price crash. As a result, the Silicon Valley Tech Corporation typically holds back sizable portions of the monthly XRP it releases to preserve the price, such as the 600M XRP lock back in February following the release of 1 billion coins from escrow. As of now, Ripple's escrow accounts have not seen any XRP movement, according to Whale Alert. Before the weekend, though, it's anticipated that Ripple may lock back some of the just released money. XRP is now down 2.6% over the last 24 hours. The small decline follows the sixth largest cryptocurrency's spectacular 44% plus increase to over 57 cents on March 29. According to CoinGecko data, XRP is currently trading at roughly 51 cents, and excitement for the resolution of the case between Ripple and the SEC is at an all-time high. Some members of the XRP community had relied on the assertion made by pro-XRP attorney James K. Fillon that the judge and Elisa Torres' decision will be made by the end of March. The XRP community was left puzzled as to why Judge Torres did not rule yesterday as expected by crypto law creator attorney John Deaton, who was named as one of the few insiders who would be aware of the precise date of the judgment. Deaton asserts that the only individuals who would be aware of the Ripple versus SEC ruling date are members of the Judge Torres staff and the court clerk. According to Deaton, the only persons who will be aware of the decision before the judge makes it public are their staff and any clerks who assisted her with the research or the decision. His most recent statement is in response to XRP enthusiasts who think executives from Ripple and the SEC will be aware of the date. It is important to note that the dean's statement came a few hours after he suggested the Judge Torres verdict might not be issued for up to 60 days. Notably, a number of XRP supporters voiced dissatisfaction after Judge Torres did not make a decision on March 31st as foretold by Philin. It was not made clear in the response to a comment on the matter that Judge Torres' deadline for rendering a summary judgment was not today. He said that Judge Torres might make a decision in the coming hour and decide to make the decision public during the next 2 months. According to her prior cases, Judge Torres, according to Deaton, typically issues summary judgment after ruling on Dobrat's motions takes a few months. It is important to note that Deaton is actively involved in the legal proceeding, acting as an amicus curiae, friend of the court, on behalf of members of the XRP community. Deaton expects that Judge Orius will rule in favor of XRP owners by stating that transactions on the coin's secondary market do not qualify as securities. Deaton outlined 4 potential lawsuit outcomes that would be advantageous to XRP holders yesterday. Deaton hypothesizes that the Judge Torres might decide that XRP secondary market transactions but not securities are appropriate for all 4 outcomes. Yet, it is likely that Judge Torres will rule in favor of the SEC and give a summary judgment, while omitting to address XRP. Deaton promised to make an effort to persuade the judge to shed more light on the cryptocurrency asset that was mentioned in the LB case. I want to talk to you about DEX School before I begin. A market maker is a self-contained liquidity provider. The decentralization of cryptocurrency trading is aided by someone donating their crypto assets to a platform. When you use the export, you can gain rewards with fees from transactions on that platform, which many people consider a type of passive income. A blockchain asset management protocol known as automatic compounding combines data analytics and optimization approaches to automatically combine rewards and produce the maximum potential compound interest rate. These protocols often invest 1 or more times per day in the returns or involvement of LP users to increase a PY. It is crucial to make it clear that anyone can use Despool to offer liquidity to decentralized platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and other similar ones. Additionally, there are many advantages to making this kind of long-term investments, including the fact that you can earn rewards while your cryptocurrency is still in staking and that decentralized platforms based on blockchains that coordinate crypto trading on a massive scale among many users are entirely powered by automated algorithms. If you use the URL provided in the video description, you can collect Dixwell's welcome special registration bonus. This incentive entails receiving as much as 100 XRP. This liquidity benefit lasts for 10 days. The incentive is only available when you make a deposit, and the offer is restricted. Furthermore, a tweet from the official Twitter handle indicates that the launch date for each node of the proposed XRP ledger layer to smart contract protocol is getting closer. In particular, he commits to launching the suggested Hook sidechain. Developers have been working on the project for more than 2 years, and hooks are short scripts that can execute instructions alongside XRP transactions that are said to provide smart contract potential to the XRPL. They intend to launch a sidechain to further evaluate its capabilities before putting it into use on the main network, as was previously stated in January. As a result, the Evernote team has revealed that it is upgrading to the 3rd version of the Hooks test net in order to get ready for the launch. Network participants will have to install a new version of each node during the process, which is expected to take 7 days. Former Australian attorney Scott Chamberlain and technical advisor to the XRPL Foundation Richard Holland, who was also the main proponent of the Hooks amendment proposal, were responsible for the conception of each node. Today, Chamberlain tweeted that the introduction of Evernote was coming closer and closer. As the last stage in testing, we need our beta hosts to get ready to switch to the V3 Hooks testnet so that we may be prepared to launch on the XRPL Labs Hooks sidechain. Notably, there is a plan to airdrop 2,580,480 EVERs, the planned native token of the network, to XRP holders after the system's launch. Prior to this, developers and testnet members would receive prizes for their contributions to the white paper. The XRPL network is growing rapidly, as was mentioned in a recent report. Every node is one of the solutions based on the XRPL that have the potential to increase the utility of the blockchain. David Schwartz, the Chief Technology Officer of Ripple, urged developers and companies interested in using the XRPL to follow XRPL remarks made by a non-profit organization established in Paris. Good news, everyone. In an announcement, the group stated, "We are launching XRPL Commons, a non-profit organization in Paris dedicated to empowering and fostering the global XRP community with a focus on innovative use cases." Now to our main focus for the day. Does XRP have enough power to continue? Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification button to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings with regards to XRP. XRP has been regarded as the following the recent market-wide increase. This claim just surfaced. In a tweet on Friday, Dirk Shippings, also known as X.ds, who founded Expector, a community-driven NFT-based society on the XRP ledger, claimed that this surge was particularly driven by XRP and that it is the only cryptocurrency, aside from BTC, that is actually moving the entire cryptocurrency market. XRP championed the latest spike in the market, following allegations brought against Binance by the US CFTC. The broader crypto market crashed, but XRP remained tall. Responses to the comment were mixed, with a few proponents noting that they agree with the argument given changing market realities. The currency increased in value on March 28, while most other assets suffered losses. XRP also saw a volume increase of over 2 BTC on Korea's top 4 exchanges. The asset continued its ascent for a few days until the larger crypto market joined in. This sparked allegations that fueled the market's uptrend. Despite the fact that XRP has started to give up some of its gains with a 1.6% decrease over the past 24 hours, investor sentiment has not been affected. Recently, crypto expert Bobby projected that XRP would experience similar price swings to Terra Luna, which climbed to a high of $20.90 in 2021. Bobby predicts that XRP will follow the same pattern of movements should this come to pass, starting for the $20 price level in June of this year. Luna soared from 51 cents on December 26, 2020 to $6 on February 10, 2021, marking a 1,076% rise in 44 days. The asset climbed another 248% in 41 days to a peak of $20.90 on March 21, 2021. Yet, this shouldn't be taken as investing advice since it is merely an examination of the price action of the assets. The price of XRP is 51 cents, up 14.25% over the previous week. Alright, gentlemen, this concludes the video. Please be sure to like the video if you found it enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about this, guys. Don't miss any of our stuff if you are a serious Bitcoin enthusiast. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our entire community.